Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna cook egg yakhni pulao. So let's get started. Cardamom, cinnamon, dried coriander, white zira, cloves, black pepper, garlic, ginger, green chili, bay leaf, water, turn on the flame. Cover it. Cook it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain the yakhni. Strained yakhni. Pour yakhni in ladle. Cooking oil. Turn on the flame. Potatoes. Fry. Boiled eggs. Fry. Black cumin. Fry. Carrots. Cook well. Peas. Cook well. Yogurt. Cook well. Biryani masala. Cook well. Cover it. Add gravy and yakhni. Salt. Add rice. Cover it. Add fried potatoes. Capsicum. Kura essence. Cover it. Low down flame. Put on dam for 10 minutes. Fried eggs. Cover it. Again put on dam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.